Oh my gosh. Let's head back out to the fair, and that's where Molly Rosenblatt is. And Molly, the weather turned around for the fairgoers out there today.
Yeah, we saw some rain earlier today, but the rain has cleared out. A few sprinkles as we got into the afternoon time frame, but now just some cloud cover, not too bad. Great crowd out here. We love having you guys here. And believe it or not, it was a ridiculously cool day. In the Twin Cities, we didn't even make it out of the 60s. Look at that, 67. We should be at about 79 for this time of the year. A little warmer out west. Montevideo, mid-70s, as well as Redwood Falls. And then western Wisconsin, we're talking upper 60s, some mid-60s out there. So the cloud cover, the rain really kept us quite cool today. But overall, we are looking warmer heading in toward your Sunday. Look at that. Weather watcher is red, so again, warmer, back in the 80s. It will be getting humid again, so of course the muggies are on the way. And then heading into the extended forecast as we get towards later in the upcoming work week, we will be a little bit closer to normal. Right now, dew point's still on the muggy side, 62 for our dew point in the Twin Cities, and we are at 67 degrees right now. That's where we topped out. Low 70s southeastern Minnesota, some mid 60s for western Wisconsin, and some low 70s out north. So some of us a little bit warmer. Some of the cloud cover, mainly to the south of us, is clearing out, but check it out. A lot of rain earlier in the day and some nasty storms right now pushing through northwestern Minnesota. Some thunderstorm warnings out there, but again, for us, looking much better. The rain is pulling off to the north and east, and check it out to the west. We have clear air, rain-free air that will move on in. High pressure dominates and southerly flow returns, so that will bring us that moisture. As far as humidity is concerned, tonight we hold on to the cloud cover with some clearing heading into tomorrow, so much more sunshine for your Sunday. Mid-60s is where we drop out. And then this is what it looks like for your Sunday. By 9 a.m., 70 degrees. A little bit of cloud cover out there. We'll call it mostly cloudy. Then by noon, we do clear out upper 70s, so a quick warm-up for us. And then look at that. After only making it up to 67 today, we're talking mid-80s by the late afternoon and into the evening. So your extended forecast, just a few scattered storms for your Monday. We can't rule out a few isolated storms tomorrow, mainly in the PM time frame, but overall not looking bad. Tuesday still in the 80s, low 80s. Wednesday closer to where we should be for this time of the year. And next weekend not looking too bad at this point. Still ways out there, but overall just expecting a few storms at this point. So good state fair weather heading into next weekend as well.